Hi, I'm Andrew Dowling, veterinarian with the PGG Wrightson's technical team. Welcome to our Tech Tip series on drenching. In this clip, I'm going to cover setting up a drench gun. So, when I've got my gun here, the first thing I'm going to do is put my hand on the nozzle and to check to see if there's any abrasions on it. When I look at the nozzle, there are two types. This one here is the U nozzle, and on my right is the lamb nozzle. As you'll see, it is shorter and is a smaller diameter. The drench has to go over the back of the tongue. If I use a longer nozzle in the lamb, there's a chance I might damage its mouth, something that would be unfortunate. So, I've got my gun, I've checked my nozzle, it feels good. Are you left or right-handed? Which way are you going to angle the nozzle? Holding the nozzle, putting my finger over the end of it, I'm trying to squeeze the handle. It won't depress. If it does, it means drench is likely to be going past the back valve back up into the tube. So when you're drenching lambs or calves and their tongue or their cheek may press against the nozzle, the drench may actually be going back up your draw-off tube rather than down their throat. Something that's important to check. So we've done that. Nice nozzle, no abrasions, not going to damage their mouths, angle's good, it's set up. Now I need to set the dose rate. So when I look here on the drum of Zolvix Plus, the dose rate here, 1 mil to 10 kilos. I've weighed a sample of these toodles and I know the heaviest is 70 kilos. It's imperative you drench to the weight of the heaviest animal, not the average, because every animal must get the adequate dose rate. So at 1 mil per 10 kilos, that's a 7 mil dose rate. Taking my gun, looking down at my barrel, I'm going to dial it up to what I think is 7 mils. Click in the dose holder, taking my measuring cylinder, I'm now going to squirt 10 drenches into the measuring cylinder to make sure it's accurate. If I only drench or squirt 1 or 2 into here, it can be quite difficult to see if I'm accurate. So coming up there, and 1 more. I look at that, and yes, I'm happy that that is sitting at 70 mils. So 10 squirts, that's 7 mils per squirt, I'm ready to go. So I can put my drench in my pack, do up the zip, put it on, and I'm now ready to go out and drench these toodles. So thanks for joining us on the first stage of drenching sheep, setting up your gun, having it all ready. I hope you can join us for the next video on the correct administration of vet drench into a sheep.